Hey everyone, doing a little video on my preferred 12 gauge ammo. It's Eley Alpha Max. I guess it's made over in England or something. High velocity cartridges. You can see down there. Long range, rolled turnover, heavy load, waterproof. Pretty much same thing. Load 36 grams. Well, I dissected it. First thing, it has this little like cardboard cover. You can see right there. Then these 12 pellets, which says it's what's that again? 8.4 millimeter. So 12 of those little bastards coming at you. And under those is this other kind of, it's some kind of like almost, fiber type material. Then under that is another one of these little cardboard coins. Looks like there's two different types of coins that was, or pieces of cardboard that was sandwiched in between. And then there's the powder. This powder I noticed right away is strange because it's in, I don't know if you guys can see it, let's see a little camera. It's in these like little square flakes. Most powders I've seen is like cylinder, tiny little balls. This stuff, little flakes. And there's a decent amount of it too. This stuff is pretty devastating. Most 12 gauge double out buck has 9 pellets. This has 3 extra. I guess 3 more chances of hitting your target. Here's something I never really understood. See, it says 2 3/4. Well, that's just over 2.5 inches. Want to get down to it? Looks like 2 9/16. Alright, well, just showing you guys the stuff I like. Alright, later.